Good morning, student. My name is Benancio Flores, your math algebra teacher for today. Please stand, and may I request one student to lead our prayer? Okay, Mr. Kyrie, please lead the prayer. Okay, thank you. Please be seated. Now, may I discuss to you my classroom rules. I have 3 classroom rules. The first is, before I enter in this class, make sure the classroom is clean. The second is, when someone is talking, listen, especially when I am talking. The third is, raise your hand if you want to talk. And that's my classroom rule, and I hope it will follow. Now let's begin to our discussion. I have here prepared the cutouts, and please distribute. And you need to arrange it. Okay, since you are all done with our task, most of you got the correct answer. Can anyone guess what our topic for today? Okay, Mr. Stephen, you're raising your hand. Very good, you got the correct answer. Our topic for today is about the Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, the coordinate system we commonly known as a Cartesian system, after a French mathematician René Descartes, who developed in 17th century. Okay, class, I have here in our board a Cartesian plane. As you can see, this is the Cartesian coordinate plane, and I will be discussing the different parts of the Cartesian coordinate plane. The horizontal number line, or we call x-axis or abscissa. For the vertical number line, it we call y-axis. Okay, class, listen. This Cartesian coordinate plane is divided by 4 quadrants. The first quadrant contains positive, positive. The second quadrant contains negative, positive. The third quadrant contains negative, negative. And the last quadrant contains positive, negative. Okay, class, this point here is we call the origin, or where the 2 axes meet. It is denoted with a capital O, or origin. Okay, class, so this is our given ordered pair. Now, let me show you how to locate and plot the ordered pair. Start from the origin. We will move 5 times from the x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And back to the origin. Since our ordinate is negative 3, we will move downward, and our point here, located at the quadrant 4. Okay, class, our second ordered pair is positive 3 and positive 3. From the origin, we will move 3 units from the right, 3 units upward, and it located our plot in quadrant 1. Okay, class, the last given ordered pair is negative 2 and okay, class, the last given ordered pair is negative 5 and negative 2. From the origin, we'll move 5 units to the left and 2 units downward, and it located in the quadrant 3. Okay, class, let's review. I have here prepared 5 questions for you to answer, and if you wish to answer, just raise your hands. The first question is, what do you call this horizontal number line? Okay, Mr. Tatum, you're raising your hand. Okay, that's correct. It is called an x-axis or the abscissa. And the second question is, what do you call the vertical number line? Okay, Mr. Kelly, you're raising your hand. Okay, that's correct. This is called the y-axis or the ordinate. The third question is, the number line intersect at the point is called, okay, Mr. Gabriel, you're raising your hand. Okay, that's correct. It's called the origin or denote as a capital O. Okay, the next question is, what do you call of these four region labeled with Roman numerals? Okay, Miss Bell, you're raising your hands. Okay, that's correct. This is called the four quadrants. Okay, last question is, give me the signs of the coordinates of every quadrants. Okay, Mr. Jigo, you're raising your hand. Okay. Now, let's proceed to our activity. I group you into 5 with 10 members. Your activity is, you need to plot the given ordered pair. And class, this activity is only for 20 minutes for you to answer. Okay, class, please pass the paper from the center aisle and forward. Okay, thank you, Mr. Jiga. Okay, class, that's all for today. Before we end, pick up the pieces of paper under your chair, and you may now go, and we will see you tomorrow for another topic.